Hello and welcome to your favorite program. This is Buhle Betfu. I'm sure by now you know that Buhle Betfu, that's where we bring you all the travel, all the play and all the leisure that you can get up to right here in the kingdom of Eswatini. It is amazing to see how beautiful Eswatini is. You know, as we're traveling, we get to explore and see new places that we never even thought we have in this kingdom. Beautiful activities that you can get up to. So we encourage each and every one of you back there at home to just get out there, explore the land. There's a lot of things that we can do. Today we are here at Malolotja Nature Reserve just to find out what is it that they have. We've heard about Canopy, we've heard about all amazing things that they have here. We just can't wait to see what is it exactly that they have. Let's go and see them.
Libito lami ngo-Alex Ngcolani Gwebu, la ekhaya shothi ngi-lodge supervisor. Ngelobuke le department shothi Malolotja unama-departments lehlukene, so mina ngibuke i-department yaka-business lekumiyo ledila nge-accommodation ne-restaurant nabo Canopy tour, lokusho ukuthi ngingi-overseer wakhona. Malolotja ngibukele ekhaya shothi nje ngingaqala ngokuthi ngisebenzise igama lelingathi very interesting ngoba kunengi lokwenziwa la eMalolotja, mhlawumbe eMaswati noma mhlawumbe umhlaba longadi kokuthi kwenziwa ini la eMalolotja. Shothi sinetilwane as it's a nature reserve, so umbukele ekhaya angeta eMalolotja ete ukuthi mhlawumbe utawufuna ukutawubuka tilwane, senda ema-game drives, mhlawumbe ungatendela ngemoto yakho, mhlawumbe singakwendela futhi because we do have imoto tekwenda lama-game drives, so uhamba utibukela leto tinhlobo tetilwane lesinato la ekhaya eMalolotja. And then labanye babukele mhlawumbe ekhaya bangeta batowenda sinanakule kuthiwa i-hiking, whereby bayahamba la etintsabeni, bahambe la etigotsini babuke. Kunetimbali ke la ekhaya, kunetihlahla letehlukene, so if ever ufuna ukuthi utawufunza nge-nature noma utawufuna kubuka tihlahla letitsite mhlawumbe longatati, Malolotja tintfo letikhona. So nangabe nje umuntu we-wildlife eMalolotja ungeta utofika utitfolele tintfo leto. Lokunye lokukhona eMalolotja shothi kunetintsaba lana, tintsaba leti very interesting, mhlawumbe Eswatini letinye longeke utibone. Kunetintsaba lana, kunetintsaba lekuthiwa kusengwenya la, imise kwengwenya mawuyibuka ngalendlela le yakheke ngakhona. So kunetintsaba lana letinze Eswatini leti one of the tallest ngangwane, so mawufuna ukutobona tintsaba leti kanjalo ungeta utotibona la eMalolotja. Lokunye ke lesikwendako la eMalolotja kunanako lokuthiwa i-Canopy tour, which labanye bakujwayele ngakuthi i-zip lining, but ke la eMalolotja kuyi-Canopy tour. Reason lokuthi sithi i-Canopy tour umbukele ekhaya angatibuda, but kona kuhamba kube ngema-slides lamanengi noma kuba ngema-zip lines lamanengi, which is 10 slides. Lokusho ukuthi nangabe nje ufuna ku-enjoya lentfo leyo ungeta la eMalolotja, uhamba ubuvela obunanzi, ungene wehle ku-platform uphinze ungene kulokunye, so bunanzi betfula nabunenga until uze uyofika ku-suspension bridge, which is one of our best selling activity eMalolotja, because la Eswatini i-Canopy tour iqale la eMalolotja. Ngicabanga ukuthi seyikhona kuletinye tindzawo, but ngicabanga ukuthi inye kuphela, but if ever you want the best udala eMalolotja because itfolakala eMalolotja. Yes, Malolotja unayo i-accommodation, is provider i-accommodation as well, which ngingathi mangi-describe it's a rustic experience. Sijwayele ukuthi mhlawumbe ungaya kulelinye lehotela litakuprovider ngalobo bundofondofo mhlawumbe lobutse kusi-standard lesisetu. Malolotja uprovide that experience ukuthi mhlawumbe mawusuka from another country whereby uhlala comfortable, ufikela eMalolotja u-experience le experience yasekhaya in a way, but in a way iphinze ibe nabo lobu hotel. Yes, Malolotja as well uphinze aprovide sine-restaurant. I-restaurant yethu lekhona ukuthi iprovide kudla lengingasho ukuthi ku-made traditionally as well as kuphinze kube kudla longathi ke mhlawumbe ngemakhuzini lasengazi sekahlukile. Sithume kakhulu ke Malolotja ngepizza. Mawufuna ipizza nje kule ndzawo lengalana ufuna ukuthi utawufika utamthola la Dlamini utamthola Siphiwe sibabita ngalamagama la ngikhona labo pizza bethu. Yes, and then lokunye Malolotja laku provider ko sengikuthi nje kulamalanga la ngakha because tilwane tethu tisanza kudalana, so siyaye bese sesiyamisa ngesizini letside so that itokhona ukuthi timonyise dance siyaye siprovide i-game meat lokusho ukuthi inyama yetinyamata of which vele ingcayizi vele ayitholakali ke lula kani iphinze iye nekudula kuletinye tindzawo. So Malolotja is one of them places that provide letinyama leto, but ke kulamalanga because of the season then start uma sezivuyile then sesiyakhona ukuthi babukele siyabadisa ukuthi bangenta inyama seyikhona. Yes, and then as well as we have lamanye ama services lafana nabo picnic whereby bayeta abantu umuntu mhlawumbe utotendela iprime mhlawumbe nomuntu utotendela leyo event leyo lapha emahlathini noma lapha kule yandzawo leya lede ema structures noma la lengathi amodern. Malolotja as akhula ngoba uqala ibusiness kuba naloko khambe kuze kuphule ubuta indzaba yebo ukuthi mhlawumbe asesithi umuntu ufuna kwenda i-event seyinkhulu kanti phela thina besithi telana provider picnicking phela which is a certain number because of carrying capacity siya consider as well. So sesinalenye indzawo but nayo under Malolotja ihawane kunehawane dam bantu bathi ngahawane dam, so lapha ihawane dam Malolotja as well uyibukile ihawane dam whereby nangabe ufuna ukuthi mhlawumbe sowufuna kwenda i-event lenkhulu mhlawumbe lethawane carrying capacity yabantu labanenge sesiyakhona Malolotja soyakhona ukuthi accommodate since kulendzawo lena sidila kakhulu nge-conservation. So mangabe si provide le picnicking siyababala labantu because you are at a certain radius, but lapha ehawane sesiyakhona ukuthi sikunike an open space ukuthi songabalayisha abantu lobafuna ukuthi mhlawumbe bahambe up to 200 up to 300 leyo nombolo loyifunayo. I-COVID ngoba indzaba yethu sonke vele singemaswati singumhlaba wonke ngicabanga ukuthi consent vele letsinza wonke umuntu bantu sebafundisekile ukuthi kuze utawuphepha kufuna ukuthi wende lokunalo as much as Malolotja kufuna ukuthi kube nguye ke lokubuke kakhulu ngoba abantu ngeke ubadi lo munye utawuba careless, but singimalolotja vele we make sure ukuthi siyawalandzela onke ama protocols uhulumende lawabekile litiko la lete laka health lelibekile ukuthi po sanitizer kufuna ukuthi bahlale Malolotja we make sure ukuthi ama sanitizers ahlala khona umuntu makafika uya sanitizer make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu lokhona lana ugcoka i-mask as per kufanele kusagqokwe ama roomini ethu we make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu longenako ungena sesisuke sesendile i-fumigation ukuthi nangabe mhlawumbe bekuphumela abanye abantu mangabe sekutawungela lamanye sendi fumigation make sure ukuthi i-customer lingena yonke emananjana alandzelwe ama protocols akhona nako konke ke litiko letempilo letikubekile ukuthi mhlawumbe nangabe abantu restaurant akafanele ukuthi babe baningi kangaka we make sure ukuthi i-carrying capacity ye-restaurant yethu bantu bahlala ngendlela lekufanele ukuthi bahlale ngayo. Nalaba mhlawumbe lothola ukuthi mhlawumbe sebedile lana bafuna ukutijabulisa siyazama lokuthi sibedude nabo sibekhode kuthi hayi lokhu asisakuvumeli sizama kona ukuthi ema-customer ethu kube kuthi mhlawumbe makafikile lana masekaphuma lo muntu aphume aphephile angathi ngaye Malolotja ngase sengifike ngithola nayo.
So good morning everyone. So welcome to Malolotja Canopy Tour. So my name is Mbuso. I'll be your lead guide for the tour. So later I'll meet Happiness, who will be the safety guide in the tour. So I'd like you to please listen as I give a short safety briefing about Canopy Tour. So Canopy Tour started in Costa Rica in Central America, where scientists wanted to study animals' lives living a canopy level of the forest. So they built up platforms connected with galvanized steel cables like this one. Because of fun involved from sliding from tree to tree, it's intended to be a popular ecotourism adventure. So Mark Brown, a civil engineer of South Africa, who was constructing the canopy tour in Costa Rica, came back in South Africa with an idea and construct the first canopy tour, the Tsitsikama Canopy Tour in South Africa. So Malolotja Canopy Tour is the first canopy tour in Swaziland. It's the only one in Swaziland. Our tour will take place down at Machalumba Coach. So we'll take 25 minutes drive from here to our drop-off point. Then easy 10 minutes walk to our first platform. Our system consists of 10 slides plus the suspension bridge. After the slides, we'll hike up about 15 minutes to our pickup point, then we'll try back where we are now. So for you to slide, we'll be kitted like me. This is a full body harness with a braking strength of 2 tons. Attached from the full body harness, this is a cowtail, the quick draws, the pulley, few carabiners, and 2 rope lanyards with a braking strength of 2 tons each. You'll be provided with a helmet and 2 leather padded gloves for braking. So for you to slide, you'll be on the sitting position like this lady. But more demonstration how to brake and slide will be done when we reach our first platform. So there are do's and don'ts. Let's start with the don'ts. Do not adjust any equipment here. If you feel uncomfortable, you may ask me or the safety guide. Do not go near the edges of the platforms. Do not jump on the cables. The do's are listen and obey our instructions at all times. Inform us of any medical condition that we should know before we go. So have fun. Now I'll give you this indemnity form to read and sign. After that, you can visit the bathroom if you want to, because since you are kitted like me, it is not easy to use the bathroom. Then we'll come back and start getting up here. So I'm here to keep you safe. Together we'll have fun. Thank you.
Already, I'm feeling scared.
So welcome to Malolotja Wonderland. So for sliding, we'll be sliding on these 2 cables. This is our main cable, 13mm galvanized steel cable with a braking strength of 10 tons. Then the 10mm galvanized steel cable with a braking strength of 7.5 tons is our safety cable. So all in all, you'll be clipped in 3 points. The cowtail and the pulley set will be at the main cable. Then the back rope lanyard will be at the safety cable. So high sliding will be on the sitting position like a nondogozo. Your weaker hand, you hold the cowtail and a quick draw together, your weaker hand. Then your stronger hand on the main cable. Never put your hand on top of the pulley or in front. Keep your hand rolling at the back of the pulley every time. You don't remove your hand here. Just keep your hand rolling. Then when you're about to reach there, to slow down or brake, you simply pull down the cable gently with this hand. So you control your speed with this hand. Keep your hand rolling. Then when you're about to reach there, you simply pull down the cable gently. Do not grab the cable, just gently pull down, then it will lower your speed. So on the other side, sometimes the nondogozo will use hand signals. When she do like this, she means slow down, which means I come at high speed, then have to pull down. Then when she do like this, she means keep on coming, then have to release your brakes here. Slow down, keep on coming. To brake, you simply pull down the cable gently. Okay. Yes. So last thing, please when about to reach there, lift up your legs in order not to hit at the edges of the platform.
And that's really a Ferrari. The speed. That's amazing, guys. You must come here. Make sure you come here. Bring your friends. Let's enjoy this. I didn't know we've got a Ferrari in Swaziland. This is what we have. Whew, finally, we're done with our canopy tour. Right now, we're gonna have some food at the restaurant back where we started. Let's go. Go. Well, that was exciting. Though I'm very tired, you know, after going all my cables long 10 and then you have to hike up. It's really tough. But then come and enjoy this, especially if you're coming with your friends, you want to do some get-togethers or team building. This is the place to be. You'll enjoy.
Ligama lami mina ngisikhumbuzo Magagula. Chef wala ekhaya nguyerobuko semabhodweni la ekhaya eMalolotja. Ama-customer ethu imenu lesinayo la ekhaya imenu cishe letha ibe special longayikhanza noma ngabe ngikuphi sizama kuyenda ibe internationally uthola konke kudla lokukhona akukhona accommodate abantu ba locally nebantu ba international. Sinama sandwich yethu lesivamisa ukuthola ekudleni lokulight, sinama burger, sinama prego, sinama strips kudla lokuthi akube light customer noma ngabe livungathi alisilo lilambe kakhulu. Sehle siye ekudleni lokuqinile. Ngilokunye kwakhona ekudleni lokuqinile lokhu siyakuthola ke kudla lokuqinile lokufana nabo sirloin steak, pork chops, ne-game meat iyatholakala ekudleni lokuqinile uma ngabe i-customer lifikela ithola ukuthi ikhona kuleso sikhathi njengoba sathi ama-customer ukuthi i-game meat inyama leba seasonal iyavulwa iphinze ime. Uma ube nenhlanhla wayikhanza i-game meat uyayikhanza kuleso sikhathi ayithola i-game meat etinyameni letibovu. Sinawo nemapizza ethu lapha njengoba nimbona la Dlamini nguye lohamba phambili kulamalanga ekhaya eMalolotja. Kungako nje ngishita ngimvetele ama-customer la khona ukuthi nakukhulunywa ngala Dlamini kukhulunywa ngani. La Dlamini ngalenye lelwimi la Dlamini bambita ngithi something meat. Letinye tindzawo takwanza bathi something meat. Nala ekhaya ke la Dlamini ukhona. Sayifaka leyo nyama lekhona ne-game meat nangabe kuleso sikhathi khona sikwendele kube ngila Dlamini lomnanzi. Njengoba babukele nimbona la Dlamini wethu la bayatibuta labanye ukuthi lo Dlamini uphetheni noma why kube ngila Dlamini. La Dlamini ke simbita ngekuthi ngila Dlamini njengoba sathi ama-customer lamahle ukuthi la ekhaya kangwane kwatiwa ukuthi ngebantu bakaDlamini. Bantu bakaDlamini banembatho, bantu bakaDlamini balunga. Kungako kusakhetha ukuthi la Dlamini thina sithi nayi pizza yethu lemnanzi kangaka ayibe ngila Dlamini. Babukele sehle siyendasi njengoba nathi uthi emva kwemili kufuna ukuthi kube khona lo takufaka lokungishukelana lokutawufuke bese kuyabotshisa kudle ekhathi esiswini. Sinawo lokulukhekhe uya-order likhekhe, sinema ice cream, sinema milkshake uyawathola, i-fruit salad uyayithola emva kokudla imili yakho. Siyabonga.
My name is Chalets, and I am the bookings and front desk officer here at Lidwala Lodge, and I've been with Lidwala for quite some time, and it's been amazing. Lidwala Lodge is a self-catering lodge with a communal kitchen where you can prepare your meals, or you can order for delivery at our selected local eateries, or we also have a restaurant here on the premises on site, which is the Velvet Monkey, so you can always walk down to get some meals. And then also the word Lidwala, as you can see around, you will see around, there's a lot of rocks behind, and everywhere, almost every corner, there's a lot of rocks and everything. So I think because in Siswati rocks are ematwala, so I think the word comes from there. Lidwala Lodge accommodates different types of people and different reasons on why you want to sleep at the lodge. So we have different types of rooms. We have standard rooms, which are for couples, like 2 people, but you can also be friends and sleep in the standard rooms. That's just a basic room with a double bed and a bathroom. That's for 2 people. And then we go over to have private chalets, which are the nicest ones. They have their privacy. They are across the stream because we have a stream that is running through the lodge. So they have their own sitting balcony. They have a coffee and tea station inside. They have a smart TV that you can connect to Wi-Fi, YouTube and stream, and Netflix and chill. We also have a fridge and a queen bed and a bathroom as well. So these chalets are for 2 people, but we also have chalets that can accommodate up to 4 people if you are a family of 4, or if you are a group of friends and needing 4. So we move on to have dormitories, which are divided into 2. We have ensuite dormitories, which have a bathroom inside, and then we have dormitories, just normal dormitories, which bathrooms are outside, which are the common bathrooms. So those are the different types of rooms that we have. So we are because COVID-19 is still there, even though the cases are not as much, but we still need to practice every protection step against COVID-19. So as Lidwala, as you can see around, we have so many signs that tell you what to do, that you should sanitize, practice social distancing, and also you should wear a mask at all times. You can't come into my reception without a mask. So you need to have your mask on, and we sanitize. And we also have an isolation room that it's a standard room that we changed into an isolation room should any guest have any problems. We also have numbers that you can call if you don't feel well or you feel like you have COVID-19 symptoms. We do have a cell phone number because I think that one is convenient, because the cell phone number is also available on WhatsApp. So it is 76905865. And then you can also send us an email at info@lidwala.co.za. It is info@lidwala.co.za. We are also available on Facebook and Instagram. It is Lidwala Lodge. And we also have a website where you can see what we offer, from accommodation to activities. We have a website which is www.lidwala.co.za. We have quite a number of activities that you can do. I'm sure as you can see around, you can see that we have beautiful gardens which you can do a picnic, or you can host an event. So we do have picnics that you can book for, and then we just set up for you, and you can enjoy the sun and the shade under the trees with your significant other, or even with friends and family. So we do host picnic. We do venue hire if you want to host a party, because it's trending these days. If you have a 21st or you want to celebrate an accomplishment, you can come to us, and then we give you a code and you book for a particular day. We also have hiking. You can hike the famous Sheva's Breast with us. Yes, at a very, very low price. So you can go hiking. You can also do swimming, but our swimming is only restricted to guests who have booked for accommodation, and that's for their privacy, because you can even wake up at 12 midnight and feel like, I want to go for a swim. So yes.